Let's learn how to convert this decimal fraction 18.625 to base 10. Thanks, Andrew.
Pick up. 3. Don't worry. Don't cover it. Don't worry. Just keep pulling.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's learn how to convert this decimal fraction 18.625 base 10 to base 2. To do that, we split the decimal fraction 18.625 into the whole number part and the decimal part. Solution. We have the whole number part and here we have the decimal part. Now for here 18.625, the whole number part is our 18 and the decimal part is the 0.625. Then we convert separately to base 2. To convert whole number 18 to base 2, we divide repeatedly by 2 until further division is no longer possible, then read the remainders upwards. So let's divide. 2 goes in 18, you have 9 remainder 0. 2 goes in 9, you have 4 remainder 1. 2 goes in 4, you have 2 remainder 0. 2 goes in 2, you have 1 remainder 0. We keep dividing. 2 goes in 1, you have 0 remainder 1. But here, further division is no longer possible, so we read our remainders upwards. So here we have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, base 2. That's for the whole number part. Now for the decimal part, how do we convert to base 2? We multiply the decimal part repeatedly by 2 until you have 0 or periodic number for the decimal part. Multiply by 2. Now 625 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 2, you have 10, you have 0, you take 1. 2 multiplied by 2, that's 4, plus this one we have here, you have 5. 6 multiplied by 2, you have 12, so we write 2. And we bring the 1 to the other side. Because here, it's same thing as having 0. When you multiply 0 by 2, what do you have? 0. Plus the 1 you are bringing in, you have 1 at the side. For the next step, we treat the decimal part of these results as our starting point for this step we are looking at. So for this step, we are only multiplying 0.250 by 2 and not 1.250. Only the decimal part. So 0 multiplied by 2, you have 0. 5 multiplied by 2, you have 10. So you write 0, you take 1 here. 2 multiplied by 2, you have 4. Plus 1, you have 5 points. Now, because there's nothing here, we're not bringing any number to this side, so write 0. Recall, I said we're only multiplying 0.250 by 2 and not 1.250. So we are not concerned with this for this step. Here also, we're only multiplying 0.5000 by 2. So multiply this side by 2. 0 multiplied by 2, 0. 0 multiplied by 2, 0. 5 multiplied by 2, that's 10. So write 0. And we keep 1 to the other side. So since there's nothing here, put 1. The number we are bringing in from the other side. Now we have 0, 0, 0 here. We can stop. And how do we take our readings? We take all these digits that we have here that we took to the other side when we are multiplying our decimal part. Then read it from the top downwards like this. So that is 0.625 is same thing as saying 0.101 base 2. Now we've converted the whole number part to a number in base 2. We've converted decimal part to a number in base 2. Now what do? We combine it together. Therefore, our 18.625 equals 10010, then combine together with this decimal part 0.101 base 2. That's how to convert decimal fraction in base 10 to base 2. Thank you.